Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm going to teach you how to create forms that auto-populate by user input. We're going to do this by taking advantage of the lookup field. The lookup field takes data from a different form and uses it to fill out the current one. A while ago, we actually made a video using lookup fields, that time to create cascading fields. It would let a user choose their car by year, make, and model, automatically filtering out unavailable options. For example, if your car was made in 1980, a Tesla wouldn't be an option under Make. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. But today we're going to use lookup fields to automatically populate a form once we enter enough information. Here I have an Excel file with some info about potential grad school EMBA applicants. It has their name and contact info, as well as the college they graduated from, their major, and when they graduated. I'm going to export this info as a CSV so I can import it directly into Formidable in a new form. I'll create a new form and call it Data Form. Here I'm going to create 7 text fields so I can import them to my CSV. I'll title them the same as my headers in my Excel file. Great. I'll click Update to save my new form. Now I need to go to Import-Export under Formidable and upload my CSV to import them into my form. I'll make sure the headers match the field labels. And you can see here I misspelled graduation in my CSV, so it didn't match automatically. But that's an easy fix, and we're good to go. Okay, now we need to create the public-facing form that will auto-populate. I'll call it Public Form to make it easy to understand. I want the form to auto-populate based on the name, so I'm going to need 2 lookup fields, one for first name and one for last name. In each lookup field, we're going to search the data form for the information. Great. Now we're going to add regular text fields to our form for the remaining 5 fields. In each one, we'll open up the field options and select the magnifying glass under Default Value. Just like with the lookup fields, we'll choose the data form and match our field, but we'll do one more thing. In the Watch Lookup Fields option, we're going to watch the 2 name fields. Now right now it says lookup for both fields because I haven't updated the form to save the new name of the lookup fields. I'll do that now. And look, now it's saying the name of our 2 lookup fields. What this means is that it will watch the first 2 fields, and if the names match, it will auto-populate this field with the correct email address. We'll do the same thing to the rest of the fields. Okay, let's click Update to save it and give it a try. And there we go. It auto-populated the rest of the fields based on the first 2 name fields. And that's how you can auto-populate your form fields using lookup fields with Formidable Forms. Subscribe for more WordPress and form building tips, and I'll see you next time.